Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Discord, open the app or browser client and sign in. Head straight to user settings via the gear icon at lower left. Once there, inspect privacy and safety and authorized apps. This is where auto-join routes often hide. Make sure to revoke any suspicious authorized apps now, because they can accept invites on your behalf. Also check connections and server privacy quickly. If you see unfamiliar links or services, disconnect them immediately so you stop automatic server entries. Next, go deeper into privacy and safety and server privacy. Change who can send you invites, set to friends of friends or no one depending on how strict you want to be. Once done, toggle direct message filtering and disable automatic media downloads to avoid accidental invites. Make sure to review server invite settings per server you manage. Opt out of community discovery if needed. If specific users repeatedly send invites, block them. That prevents any further involuntary server prompts. Finally, revoke third-party access under authorized apps and clean up connections to cut off automated invites. Leave any servers you never joined intentionally, and delete invite messages or bots that keep reposting links. Once done, clear Discord cache, restart the app, and log back in to ensure settings stick. If the problem persists, change your password and enable two-factor authentication. This blocks compromised apps. Troubleshooting tip: if auto-join continues, check other devices and revoke.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.